Welcome to Car Wassel. Today, we're diving into the luxurious BMW X7, a flagship SUV that blends power, cutting-edge features, and opulent comfort. The BMW X7 is the ultimate blend of luxury and performance. As BMW's largest and most luxurious SUV, it offers an exceptional driving experience. Its striking exterior design features an imposing kidney grille and sleek LED headlights, with sculpted body lines that enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. Under the hood, the base model xDrive 40i has a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with 335 horsepower. The xDrive 50i steps up with a 4.4-liter V8 engine producing 523 horsepower. For ultimate performance, the Alpina XB7's 612 horsepower V8 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Inside, the BMW X7's opulent cabin rivals luxury sedans with premium materials, including merino leather and fine wood trim. It seats up to 7 passengers comfortably. Technology is a highlight with the Live Cockpit Professional, featuring dual 12.3-inch displays, iDrive 7.0, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure a safe drive. Luxury features include heated, ventilated, and massage seats, a panoramic glass roof, and an optional rear seat entertainment system with dual 10.2-inch displays. Pricing starts at around $74,900 for the xDrive 40i, $92,600 for the xDrive 50i, and $141,300 for the Alpina XB7, catering to different preferences and budgets. The BMW X7 sets a new benchmark for luxury SUVs with its powerful performance, exquisite design, and advanced technology. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, it delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and automotive content. Let us know your thoughts on the BMW X7 in the comments. See you next time.